Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Outlook password on phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that you don't have to just access the Outlook app. You have to access through your browser or web browser on your desktop or your mobile phone. So I'm just opening the Google Chrome browser, and after opening up the Google Chrome browser you have to just simply search for outlook.com and make sure you have signed in with the correct account. So after signing it with the correct account in which you want to change the password, you have to just simply click on the top right of your profile. So after tapping on the profile which is right next to your search bar, so after tapping on that, here you have to just simply click on my Microsoft account, which is here. So after tapping on it, it will open up the my Microsoft accounts suggestion. Here you have to just simply select your account. So after picking an account, it will take some time. After that, you have to just simply click on the change password where it is in the account section. The second option is change password. So you have to just simply click on it, the change password. So after clicking on that, you have to just simply click on email your so it will, what it can do is it can send the email to OTP go to your email. So you have to just simply verify through your email. So I'm just opening up my Gmail account to get, yeah, here is the Microsoft mail which I have received now. So I have to just simply copy it, and after copying it you have to simply click on here and paste it and click on verify. So after clicking on verify, now it will ask you for your current password. So you have to just simply here put the current password, and here you have to just simply put new password. Then you have to re-enter new password and click on save. So after clicking on save, you guys can change Outlook password on phone very easily. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.